the reason I started Enlightened Stock Trading is because when I left my job in 2012, in September 2012, I walked out of the corporate world forever, and I got home and I continued my trading and I thought I'd made it and life was great. And then 6 months later, I was bored, lonely, and depressed. And the reason was I didn't know any traders. I didn't have anyone to talk to. All my friends still had full-time jobs. Most of my friends were investment bankers and strategy consultants who worked like 500 hours a day. And I didn't see them very often. And I was at home with a laptop and didn't have anyone to interact with. And that's a real problem because you believe your own hubris and you make mistakes and you get complacent and the growth slows down and lots of problems happen. And I started EST because I wanted to work with traders. I wanted to be around traders. I wanted to have a group around me that did systematic trading like I did so that we could support each other and grow together. And that's basically where Enlightened Stock Trading was born because I needed you people in my life. And I say that with all seriousness because it was dire. I was not happy and I was struggling. And so I started teaching and I took a couple of students on pro bono, just coaching here and there. And that didn't work very well because they didn't have skin in the game and they didn't really take it serious. So I started teaching for real as a course and coaching people in exchange with financial exchange. And then they took it seriously and I started getting outcomes and people started actually trading. They started making actual money and we had real conversations and they challenged me and asked questions and I had to think about it. And all of a sudden, my brain was stimulated and I felt like I had the right group. And it just gets better and better. Every year it gets better because we get better at teaching. We get better at understanding our craft. We get more diversified. We get people from more countries, from more backgrounds. And it's just working really nicely. And so I'm loving what we're doing. I'm loving the community. It's just such a good community. Trading for its own sake that's great. I can make some money. It's all good. But I'd much rather help other people because there's so much more leverage in helping a group of dozens of people succeed and grow and learn. Much more leverage in that than just sitting by myself on the laptop doing my own thing.